Oh, my sap! Fine then, I'll team up with Spongy.
No, no! Lava shower!
I've got to...
No, Ice Cube, you can't. It's too dangerous.
Hey! Let's resolve this quickly, folks. Time is of the essence.
Oh, my mint! How is there so much lava already?
Okay, so we breathe and then we deep fry it. Ready?
I'm not participating.
1.
Stanley! Stanley, oh my god! Baby! Oh, you're okay!
Do I not look happy to you? It's okay, Match. Remember, GB is a bozo brain, bossy bot. Quick, Fence, activate the elimination prevention plan. Okay, no.
Yep, this water is warm. Like, really warm.
Yeah, and it's super soothing.
Dark humor is the way some people cope with tragedy.
Listen closely. Here's a little lesson in trickery. This is going down in history. If you wanna be a villain #1, you have to chase a superhero on the run. Just follow my moves and sneak around. Be careful not to make a sound. Shh! Don't touch that.
Wow, what is this place?
I'm mad you killed Bubble, Flower.
How can you talk? You were about to impale 2 whole teams.
True, but Bubble's life is special. And you know what you get for popping her? You instantly lose Flower power.
Please don't say that again.
Hey, are we just digging in random directions?
Pretty much.
Shouldn't we dig towards the coordinates we heard from Grassy?
You mean 133, -82, -7.63?
Hold on. That location isn't that way. It's that way.
Oh, really? Change of plans then.
Wow, Flowey, you really know your way around here.
Yeah, it's one of the perks of being a plant. You gotta have a sense of direction to point our leaves to the sun, you know?
You don't have leaves!
I'm so glad your vomit got us out of that dungeon. It's just smooth sailing from here.
I wouldn't be so sure about that, Nickel. Rocky's vomit isn't eroding as fast as we're falling!
What do you mean? I don't know why you're freaking out, Cloudy.
Why not?
Can't you fly? Your bandages are gone, remember?
Oh, right.
Everybody, grab onto Cloudy.
Yeah!
Okay.
Way back at the start of Loser's career, Winner and Loser were a duo. They performed together, toured together, ate chicken nuggets together. At some point, Loser went solo and hit the mainstream, but Winner? Well, they just faded into obscurity. But only a true Loser fan would know that.
I'm more into Loser's recent work anyway.
What? You're not seriously passing up this opportunity, right? Well, suit yourself, but I'm not gonna miss out.
Wait! You two are my friends! You can't split up!
Cake, we never even do things together. It's okay.
Okay. Wow, Cake, that was rough. Wanna join my team?
Yes!
Can I stick with you, golf ball?
Despite your grammatical error from earlier, you are a true friend, and I appreciate your loyalty. Wow.
Scissors.
Foldy, Stapy, are you seriously playing rock, paper, scissors when we've got a basket to save?
What's wrong with a little RPS so we can stress less? We'll guess who's best and bless the rest.
Stapy, now's not the time for rhyming!
You're right. I mean, I would like to help our team out as much as I can. How can I be of assistance?
Well, are you lightweight?
No, I'm one of the heaviest contestants.
Well, I'm one of the lightest. Then I'll throw you as high as I can and you'll try to grab the basket, okay?
Oh, I'm a bit nervous about that. Enough! Too high! Just right.
Who could these barbaric trespassers be?
will start flooding the floor, head for the stairs. Also, I'm sorry for stabbing you 7 years ago. I didn't mean it.
Whoa, Woody, Naily, you're alive?
Yeah?
That's awesome.
But why are you running down the stairs so fast?
Lava's chasing us from above. Why are you running up the stairs so fast?
Because lava's chasing us from below.
Oh, shoot.
Yeah, it's a little ripe, but it's brand new, man. We can play it at recess. Hey, what are you doing? You can't cry in prison, man. You'll bust your head open. What's the matter with you?
I want my mom.
Dude.
Mommy, I want my mommy.
Look, if it's that important to you, I'll bust you out of here.
You will?
Yeah, I will. But not because you're my friend.
No more snow!
Yay!
Stop panicking. It's just a bowl of petunias.
So, Needle, how much further to Yoyle Mountain? 70 feet left. Yay!
Wait, no, you did all wrong. See, that's the distance to Evil Canyon. What you want to press this. And see, our distance to Yoyle Mountain is actually 2,761 miles.
But, Coiny...
Spongy, I know it's far, but don't complain. We have to do this.
Coiny, the canyon!
What? Hey, Yellow Boy, you advertise for a massive department store, right?
Yup!
Does it sell emeralds?
No, but we have these cheap plastic green toys.
Great. Let's...
Whoa, hold it. I'm not sure 4 would like to be cheated like that, you know?
But over a year ago, 4 said you don't need frills to make a feast for the eyes, so that means he's okay with trash.
Oh, you're right. Let's turn them in then.
Nice emeralds. I love a team that commits forgery. Commits forgery Island. You really committed to winning Battle for Dream Island. 4. Does this mean? It means you completed the contest first. You win.
Yeah!
Needle, are you doing okay? Can you stay up much longer?
No!
Uh-oh, we need to find something to land on, or else we are going to die.
Hey, Spongy, do you think you could do us a little favor and impale yourself on those spikes to save our lives?
No way!
Help me! Spongy, please! You'll die either way! Yeah, please!
No, not moving.
What's that? I can't exactly tell what you said through all those layers of fat. It sounded kind of like sure thing, Coiny.
No, I said... Oh!
My plan this episode is to have Blocky and Robot Flower climb the trees to catch the baskets because they've got arms. TV will relay coordinates of baskets' location, and 8-Ball and Basketball will weigh the baskets down once we've got a hold of them.
What about Grassy?
Oh, you're alive? I thought you were just an overgrown section of the lawn that the gardener forgot to mow.
What about you, Golf Ball?
I'm managing the team.
Me too.
You think you can manage me?
Why doesn't we care?
Guys, I like Loser as much as the rest of you, but we should focus on saving ourselves a basket, or else we'll end up on the chopping block.
Don't tell me. Do you not like Loser?
Are you ungrateful of his majestic presence?
No, I just think we oughta—
Remove the hater! You wanna make your next move there, you say? Well, what if I say no?
Oh, so this is Golf Ball's idea of fun.
Yep.
I think we're at the bottom of the world.
Well, I sure hope not, because then we can't escape the lava. Come on, little one. Help me dig. Alright, well, if not little one, why not you, Woody? You have arms.
Ha ha! Ha ha! Stop you there! Golf Ball, I think it's time to stop. You've done this 2,763 times. Yes, and each of these 2,763 dead patches of grass is a beauty. Just look at them all. Wait, maybe they're trying to communicate with me.
Yeah, they're telling you to stop.
They raise a very convincing argument, but it's not enough. I'll continue.
Oh, what a pain!
Tell me about it.
Guys, I can't believe you're not helping me dig! The lava's only a few feet away!
It's because it's a lost cause, Balloony.
No, hold on, you're a nail! You should have a much better chance at breaking through!
Ha! There's an intruder sneaking into my underground factory. I need to go investigate. Thor deserves this treasure. Here. You guys were pretty slow, but that's okay. I am too safe. Our final two are Stop and Beep.
Huh? Don't think I forgot about last time. You guys teamed up because you're all bald. Well, I'm a ball too, and you didn't even think of me.
Oh gosh, Puffball, I'm sorry. We didn't really mean to.
I don't care. I'm joining this team, whether you like it or not.
If Puffball's on this team, I'm joining too.
If this is where the free food's gonna be now, I gotta be on this team. So what's the first contest?
Glad you asked! The first contest is to get to the top of that building. Everyone on your team has to get to the top in order for you to be safe. The last team to get there will be up for elimination. Oh, I almost forgot. Once you get to the top, you're not allowed to go back down.
This is my pet duck, Adam, going for his first swim. Be careful, Adam. Adam! Adam!